What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use the Borderless WordPress plugin Elementor widget or Elementor add-on called Split Hero. What is this? Let me show you one example made on our latest video that I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here, where we did learn how to use the hero section on WordPress using the Borderless plugin. That is this nice section right here, with a title, a subtitle, and some buttons, call to actions. This is a pre-built template that you only need to type your text and apply the links to your buttons. It's very simple, no need to program, no need to use many elements. It's a single element pre-built to this layout, okay? And into this video we're gonna use the Split Hero element, okay? That is a little bit different but still very useful, okay? So before we can start, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this content with a friend of yours, because you have no idea how much it means to us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, WooCommerce, sales, and many more topics every single day. So you help us and we help you, okay? And after this made, let's go to our WordPress dashboard so we can start the video from it, okay? Once on dashboard, I'm gonna start at the point that you already have the Borderless WordPress plugin already installed on your site. It's free. You can install on plugins, add new, and search for Borderless. And you already have the Elementor WordPress website builder plugin present on your site. Once again, it's free. You can install on WP, dashboard, plugins, add new, and just search for Elementor. With both plugins active, you can go to a new page, okay, or you can go to a previously made page. That's gonna be my case. This is my home page. If you review the top bar of elements of any page when you are logged in WordPress, you can see this button while using Elementor. Edit with Elementor. Click on it. Simple as that. As you can see, it's gonna take a moment to load the Elementor builder, okay? This is the result of our previous video. I'm gonna delete this and I'm gonna click into this plus button so I can apply a section right here. But you can apply a section wherever you want, okay? As you can see, every single section have their set of buttons. If I click into this one, I'm gonna apply a new section to the top of the home page. And what to do now? Can you see the left sidebar of widgets that we have right here? These are all elements from Elementor, are all widgets, are all blocks, are all things that you can add in order to make a beautiful page. Let's scroll it down, scroll. Let's scroll a little bit more, and as you can see right here, we have the Borderless widgets. All these widgets are completely free, okay? So what we're gonna do in the latest video, we did using the hero section element right here, and into this one we're gonna use the Split Hero. Can you see the icon right here? It gonna gives you a tip on what this section does. But what we're gonna do, I'm gonna click into it, okay, and I'm gonna drag it until I find the section where I want to apply this. And as soon as I find the section, you can see the little dots into the border. I'm gonna drop it, so I'm gonna just unclick, and here is the result I have. Can you see now what the section does? The Split Hero, it's a hero section with image is in one side, title, subtitle, and buttons in another side. It's a very good element for usage, okay? I'm gonna try to show you one example in a pre-built website that our Enzo WordPress team have. Just a moment. So here is one example in a library of the Enzo and Borderless WordPress pre-built websites that you can import with one click, in the case they are a Visualmodo client. So as you can see, an image, a title, description, and a button. But let's do ours, okay? Let's explore a little bit more on this left side of elements, okay? First of all, we have the title and the subtitle and a button. Let's apply a button. Click on the button right here, and we can change the text the button text gonna be click me. I'm gonna apply no link just to make it faster. You can apply some icon in the case that you want and change the space, and even apply another button, so you can have 2 buttons into the section. After all set right here, you're gonna click right here on the settings, and the very first thing to change is set on into this show button. And here is our button. Nice. Now we can apply a hero animation in the case that you want, a direction, the full and reverse, okay? So we can move the location of the content, the image and the text. I'm gonna set the default. And now what else to do? There's a lot of things we can do. For example, change the widget, the height, the gap, change the position, change the alignment of any element, okay? Let me align all to center back. You can apply some paddings, but here is where the fun really begins. As you can see, to the image we are using a color, a solid color. We can use a gradient color in the case that you want, for example, but I would like to use an image. Let me use this nice cat image, for example. And here we go. Now we have the position for the image, okay? We can change the position. The attachment, we can make the image use this parallax effect, using it as fixed or screw to normal. The repeat, we can set the image to repeat. And the size, I'm gonna set the image to cover. This is gonna make the image looks better independently of the screen size, okay? I always recommend that you set things to cover, but change according to your need. But as you can see, you already have the image, title, description and button. Excellent. Now we have an image and the text. Let's move forward to the next tab, that is content. And for content, we can change the background of the content, for example, applying some color. Let me try something different. This one is good. We can apply some gradient color in the case that you want, for example. We can apply an image to be background as well. We can change the opacity of the background content. We can apply some CSS filters. There's a lot of filters to play with, okay? For title, the same thing. We can change the text color, the typography. Let me try to edit the typography for the title. You can make the font bigger, really bigger. Right here, enter your title. We can edit the text stroke, shadows, blend, padding, margin, every single part you can play with. Let me just remove the text stroke and the shadow. It's okay. Now, subtitle, exactly the same thing. We can make the fonts bigger, just like the title. And the button, we can change the button as well. Here is for button space, and here the next button. And the next button is for editing the text color, the background type, and other parts, okay? So we already have our split hero section working, okay? As you can check, you can explore this, you can change the position, you can move it to the middle of your page, to the top of your page, to the bottom of your page. The split hero is a very common section that lots of websites using, or mostly landing pages, to apply some call to action in a different way. Normally you can design it using different elements, but Using the borderless one, you can create it faster. As you can review, it's very simple to create one in the way that you want. You can move to the advanced settings in the case that you want to play more with spacings, okay? And other parts, but as you can check, you are already good to go. Just a nice final note, okay? In the case that you want to make this section full widget, okay? Click into this middle button, edit section, okay? It's gonna open the layout one. First of all, content widget, gonna be full widget, okay? And the stretch section, click on on. This is gonna make your section to be full widget, okay? And of course you can remove some spacings around in the case that you want, but by default it's already all full widget and simple and easy. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to click into the update button in order to save your results. Moreover, in the case that you want to have this element and many others widgets and blocks to your site, download our free Borderless WordPress plugin, okay? Same thing for Enzo WordPress theme. Enzo is the best free WordPress theme that you can download on your site, and you can install it on WordPress, dashboard, appearance, and there search for Enzo, install, and good to go, okay? Moreover, in the case that you are in need of your website or landing page done ASAP, and you would like to choose from hundreds of pre-built websites, thousands of pages, and ready layouts that you can import with a single click only, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, the Borderless Pro or Enzo Pro, and get access to unlimited design options, extra tools, support, and pre-built websites library full of content only for you, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!